In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're new to WordPress or just need a refresher, this will make it simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To get started, open your browser and type in wordpress.com. On the top right corner, click the login button. Here, enter your email or username and then your password. Once done, hit login and you'll be taken straight into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, the place where you can manage posts, customize themes, and track your site's progress. If you're using a shared computer, make sure not to check the Remember Me option and always log out after you're done to keep your site secure. And that's it. You've now logged in successfully and you're ready to start creating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more WordPress tips coming your way.